Waking up next to your partner in the warmth of their presence. Your child's infectious giggles filling up the room. Scrambled eggs on toast, made just the way you like. And your loyal cat perched contentedly on your lap. These simple joys at home can feel a world away when you're on the road, and an inability to strike a healthy work-life balance not only robs you of these heartfelt moments, but also pushes you to the point of burnout. We know you do your best work when you're at your best, so here are a few tips to help you establish a proper work-life balance and avoid exhaustion. First and foremost, when you're home, spend quality time with your family and friends. Yeah, you probably knew it, but it's still surprising to know how many drivers simply fail to acknowledge its importance. Home time is necessary for rest, relaxation, recharging, and spending time with family and friends. These meaningful human relations of family and community are what keep us going during those long days on the road. Try to utilize technology like FaceTime and location sharing to keep in touch with your loved ones and keep them updated on your schedule and whereabouts. This not only alleviates your mood, but also eases their potential worrying. Communication is the main key to maintaining a healthy relationship. Lastly, never leave your sleeper berth messy or unmade. A clean sleeper compartment is important to ensure good sleep and good mental health. It might not seem like much, but trust us, it makes a difference and keeps things organized and clean, and helps to keep you calmer and safer on the road. For more transportation trucking related news, tips and tricks, and industry insights, hit subscribe or sign up for our newsletter at www.brightorder.co.uk/blog. Until next time, motor safely.